Hello, sewing people of the internet. This is going to be just a really quick follow-up to my last video, which was this Bernina 930 record. One of the things I was impressed about with this machine is that it has the capacity for a knee lift. This hole here, you insert a lever there, and that lever actuates the presser foot to raise the presser foot. I'm a little surprised how much confusion there seems to be on this topic, and it may be that I'm using non-standard terms. I'm calling things what I learned them to be, and I don't have any formal training in this, but when I say a knee lift, what I'm talking about is a lever that lifts the presser foot. There seems to be a lot of confusion about, I got a lot of comments that, oh, lots of vintage machines have knee levers. No, those machines have knee levers to actuate the motor. And I don't even know what that's called, and honestly, I don't even know why anybody would want that. I've never used one, but let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is one of my Singer 201s, and here is a lever that you actuate with your knee, or really the side of your leg, but whatever. That lever, I don't know how well you can see this, there's a bracket here. That bracket accepts the foot pedal, and then the lever actuates against the button on the foot pedal. So using that lever with your leg, you can activate the motor of the machine and make it sew. This machine's not currently hooked up, or I would show you. By contrast, this is my Singer 1200. I also got a couple of comments to let me know that the Singer 1200 has a knee lever. Yeah, I know, I have one. I didn't mention it because A, it's a very, very rare machine that most people aren't going to have, and B, I don't really consider this a domestic machine in the true sense of the word. When I say a domestic machine, I'm typically referring to a portable machine, or a machine in like a little folding table, you know, like that guy. This machine is in more of an industrial style table, and was intended more for professional use. Some people might call it a commercial machine, but you know, the machine head is still the same as a 201 for all intents, but it's not exactly a domestic machine. So, but on this machine, this lever raises the presser foot. So when I say a knee lift, I mean a lever you actuate with your knee or your leg that lifts the presser foot, not something that makes the machine go. If you have an old vintage machine with a lever like this, that's not a knee lift. Go push on it and see what it does, and you'll find that it probably does nothing because the pedal's not inserted into that bracket, but it's not going to raise the foot. For a knee lift to work, it has to have some mechanism to engage with the presser foot. And you can see on the 1201 it does, and on this 201 there's nothing there. So, all right, I hope that clarifies what I was talking about. Sorry if I misled anyone or wasn't using the right terminology. And yes, I am aware that many other high-end domestic sewing machines now are available with a knee lift option. I did not know that previously. It's an area of sewing machines that I've paid absolutely zero attention to, but that's interesting to know that a lot of machines offer that, because it's maybe one of the single most useful features of a sewing machine to me. So if you're choosing between two sewing machines and one offers the option for a knee lift for the presser foot, I would go with that one myself. I think it's incredibly helpful. So anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.